Hey guys, how's it going? Jeepopolis here. And actually, before we get into what today's video is about, I wanted to talk about that really fast. I'm thinking of doing a YouTube name change, so the channel name will change in probably the next 2 to 3 videos. I want to give you guys a good heads up so you know, so you're not like too weirded out by, you know, the new name and you're like, why is this coming up on my subscribers feed when I'm not subscribed to them? Well, you will be. It's a new change, so don't worry about it too much. But when I did my AJT Designs key install video, I had a comment in the comment section asking if it would work without a battery. Now, there's a little module in there that you take out of the key to see if it does work, but I never tested it. And I want to test it because it's kind of good to know for you guys, so you don't buy something not knowing it's gonna not work. I need to get the right tool. Good thing I didn't throw away the Allen the AJT gives you. I also put a shirt on because the hoodie, it was a little toasty. Just a little toasty. So I have the Jeep unlocked right now. I'm going to put these screws in my pocket. In my pocket. Got the battery out. Battery is out. See? Okay. This is staying here. I'm going to put this back together. I'm not going to screw it because I'm lazy, but we're going to the Jeep. Let's see if this guy will start. It should, but we're going to know now. Alright, so since there's no battery in here, you will need to touch the start with the fob itself. No battery. Starts the Jeep. And just to prove that there's no battery again, I'm going to take it apart. No battery. So, that solves that mystery, guys. It will start the Jeep without a battery in it. So if your battery dies, you're safe. So, that's awesome. Now we're going to get to the second part of this video in 2 seconds. If you remember the video, and if you watched the video of when I first got this thing, I had one huge complaint, and that was the buttons. The buttons felt a little cheap. Well, recently, AJT came out with soft-to-touch buttons for their JL key fob. And only their JL key fob. I think it's going to be much better than the hard plastic one, so I'm going to swap it. And I think I'm going to like this key fob a lot better because I swapped it. So let's get into it. I'm probably going to hyperspeed this whole thing because you all already know how to do this. If you saw my video on how to swap this, you know how to swap it. Okay. Oh man. Okay. So they feel a lot better. I feel like I have to break it in a little bit now because the buttons feel like they stick a little bit, but I gotta say, this is the hard one, and this is the soft to touch. Like, that little bit of give and that nice rubbery feel, that makes this feel like a very, very nice OEM key fob. That was my biggest gripe with this thing. So I'm really happy that they came out with that because it makes me like this product that much better. One more thing, insider scoop. There might be some good stuff happening on the channel for you guys soon. So stay tuned for that. Promise you won't be disappointed. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. If you liked it, please smash that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the content. And that's it. There's big things coming to the channel. Trying to hit that 300 subscriber mark. We're really close. 12 away as of the filming of this video. Might be there by the time I upload it. I want to put this up as an extra video. Usually I try to do 1 a week uploads. This is probably going to be an extra because it's such a short little video. I really like those buttons. It came out awesome. And it makes it feel like more of an OEM key fob, which I really, really like. That was my biggest gripe with the whole AJT Designs one. So I'm really glad they did that. Please like the video, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.